Crude oil, daily forecast, April 10th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude market had a positive showing, as you can see, on Tuesday, even going as high as 94.50. The thing about 94.50 is we have seen this act as resistance before, uh, several times really, but we think it's more or less a minor area and not a major one. Because of this, we think that this market will continue to bounce and that we are trying to find some type of range right now. It's possible it may be between 92 and 98, and this would make sense as we head towards the summer driving season, spring and summer driving season in North America. Markets tend to get very range bound with a little bit of a bid underneath them because of demand. Adding to that is the fact that we will soon enter the time of year where traders take their holiday, and as a result, the liquidity will probably thin out a bit during the summer, making range bound trading even more likely. And that's essentially what we see this market doing right now. We see it as trying to find a range. However, we would be remiss if we didn't mention the fact that there is a symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart. We have not broken out in either direction, nor do we necessarily suggest that we have to, uh, because quite frankly, these markets can go sideways through the tip of the triangle and essentially not fire it off. So, right now, our base case is we're probably trying to build this range. But if we do manage to explode one direction or the other, obviously that becomes a much longer term trade. Over in the Brent market, you can see that the market moved higher during the session, even went as high as 106 at one point before pulling back slightly. We think this market is way oversold, and by any stretch of the imagination, could probably come up with 20 different reasons as to why. However, we would be leery of buying this market, and we truthfully believe that with all the pressure on the downside, it's just going to be easier to sell this market at a higher level, perhaps somewhere right around 107, where we should start to see strengthened resistance.